Weak insulation costs more than money. It costs time, it costs trust, and it costs peace of mind.
Traditional insulating materials crush, degrade, and fail. Dragon Jacket insulation is different. Engineered to fit perfectly, it installs in minutes. Wrap it around the pipe, band it in place, and then you're done. Dragon Jacket was born in the oil fields of North Dakota, where winters punish everything they touch. Today, Dragon Jacket operates less like a manufacturer and more like an engineering company.
Hours of tedious cutting and taping are replaced with parts that are prefabricated to fit with precision. No mess, no hassle, and it's tough.
Dragon Jacket locks in heat where you need it, keeping systems protected and efficient. When you need access, just pop it off and reinstall. It's that simple.
Dragon Jacket protects your mechanical systems. It saves labor and eliminates failures for good. When failure isn't an option, choose certainty. Choose Dragon Jacket insulation.